Arkansas Natural Cultural Resource Council's grant. That's a mouthful. But through ANCRC, state-sponsored grant, we finished phase 1 development in May of this year. And that entailed projects with minor restoration work to the courthouse, the Jacob Wolf House. We did a first-time exterior restoration of the John Wolf Cabin, which is behind me here. We had new parking lots installed, new signage installed, new 1840s period split rail fencing around the property, new ADA walkway connecting the visitor center to the Jacob Wolf House. So those are some of the projects that was done during phase 1 development. Now we're planning for phase 2 development, which I hope will take place sometime perhaps in fiscal year 21. But you know, the historic preservation is a part of our program area here, and so it's really important that we protect and preserve our 2 historic structures. And in the future, the next phase of development will speak to a new roof on the Jacob Wolf House. We hope to be able to restore the inside of the John Wolf Cabin, which will allow the visitor we're going to install them along the new ADA walkway. We want to continue with the new split rail fencing down the west side. We've got other plans for new interpretive areas and exhibits on the horizon as well.